Would you like some free printable pockets and library cards for your junk journals and planners and albums? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tinne. I'm the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns. And if you like to make junk journals or regular journals or planners or albums, this might be something really nice for you. In the description there's a link to download pockets and cards and to start creating something right now. Oh yes, if you like paper crafting like I do and you haven't subscribed yet, just click on that big red button and you won't be sorry. Now let's start making these pockets. So these are the files that you will get, and there's 4 library cards and the backgrounds are slightly different. And there's also 4 different pockets. And there's also a back design that you can print on both reversed sides. If you don't need your cards to have a back design, don't bother. And this is not really necessary also, but a small bit of this flap will show and then it has a nice color. And also this paper on the back you can use for a million other crafts. And it's pretty straightforward how to assemble these, but I'm going to show you anyway. By the way, if you would like some more freebies, just go to this link and subscribe to our mailing list and you'll even get more freebies. So the pockets you can trim with a paper trimmer pretty fast. And these parts I'm just going to tackle with my scissors. I love these scissors, they're just so sharp. By the way, I've printed these on 160 grams paper. I should have mentioned that earlier. So I got one of the pockets and one of the cards. And now it's time to fold these lines. Take care. As you see, I've made the printed part a bit larger. So when you fold it, you won't see white folds at the edges. Don't fold here, but fold from this corner to this corner. From corner to corner, don't follow the edges of the print. To fold these lines you can use a small ruler, and also a tip, use a mechanical pencil, but don't put the pencil out, just use the top. And then line up your ruler from the corner to the corner and just fold. So. Now you have a nice fold, but I'm just addicted to my scoreboard and I don't know if this is still available out there. This is from Martha Stewart, but there's lots of them out there and I can only recommend it. It has saved me so much time. There, just line it up and go for it. Actually, I'm going to flip it over because I want my folds to go this way. It doesn't really matter, but it's just a bit better, like this. This and also this way. See how fast that went? Now bend these over. And see, now you don't have any white folds here. Now, to glue these flaps, I'm not going to glue them on here, like this, but to make it even prettier, I'm going to glue them behind the back. And this you're going to glue in your journal or your album or wherever, and then you have a much nicer finish, you see? And to do that, I'm going to flip my pocket over and put some glue, or like I do, some double-sided tape here on the inside. Like this. Give it a good rub. Like this. Peel off the backing. Fold. Oh! I'm not going to fold yet. First, just stopped in time. First, I'm going to use a circle punch. This is a 1/2-inch circle punch, and I'm going to cut out a little notch here. That's completely optional, but I like it. See, like this. Oh, I'm so glad I thought of that first. Then fold double and fold the ends over. Like this. Now you have a very small little pocket. And I'm also going to use a corner punch to round these corners. That's also completely optional, but it looks a bit better. And if you like, you can also, in the edges, you can do that before you assemble the pocket, of course. And you know, I like to use this antique linen color. It's light, but I think it's just more than enough. I'm also going to round the corners of my library card, because I like it like that. Just a little bit is enough. See, doesn't need more. Then just slide this in the pocket. You can use this in your books if you lend them out a lot, or you can put it in your journal. I got my book journal here, like this. A nice page, and let's see, I want it here. Put some glue or some double-sided tape all over the back. Put it in, and then you can slide in your pocket like that. See? I like this fit. Oh, it's actually very cute when it's like crooked like that. I like this better than when it's straight. What do you think? See? Oh yeah, I like it crooked. I really hope you love this freebie. If you do, please show it by clicking on the thumbs up. And don't hesitate to share this video with every one of your friends that might like this too. And I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. Be creative, everyone. Bye!